Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox this sponsored product from Razer. This is Razer USB 4 dock, and it comes with 180 watt power adapter. This thing is a beast. It has a lot of options to connect your devices. You can see here you can use 14 device and just connect. This is really good. You can power your device because it provides 180 watt. So let's open and see what we got inside. So over here, cut from here and then the other side. So once we take out, we will see that the main unit is just displays right there, and you have the ports. You have this display port. You can use type C, HDMI, display port, Ethernet, and you have bunch of USB ports. And over here you can use your SD card and your type C and regular USB. And let's see anything else. On the other side there is another USB. So this is what you get. Let's see what else we got in the box. So right after the thing, I don't feel anything inside. You have cables here. Let's open this out on the side. Anything else? There's some paper stuff here. Let's see what it is. You got some sticker for Razer, some information getting started, how to set it. So that's what you have, and you have a cable here, type C, and it seems we have a power adapter here. Okay. You got this is, I think most people call this Mickey Mouse power prong, and regular USB type power adapter cord. And let's see, we have the power adapter, and that's what you have. Do we have anything else? No. That's what you get in the box. This looks really sleek. I really like the way it feels. This kind of seems fingerprint resistant, at least for now. It might change, but I don't see fingerprints. Nothing. So that is nice. So you have some plastic to remove. So that's what you get. I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm going to have another video. I will just connect my devices, do some performance testing as well, but so far this is what you get.